So, ayan guys, ito nga po ang Bloom Residences here at Sucat Road, Parañaque. And this is napakalapit po sa NAIA for 5 to 10 minutes using the Skyway. Pagbaba ng Skyway, andyan na po kagad itong Bloom Residences. So, perfect location, malapit po sa lahat. Like SM Sucat, SMBF Parañaque, SM Hypermarket, SNR, Pure Gold, and a lot more. Okay, so this is also malapit sa Parañaque Medical Center, Asian Medical Center. As you can see po, napakalaki po itong Bloom Residence. This is 6,000 square meter. So the largest wellness community in southern part of Metro Manila. So SMDC, may SMDC Good Stays po in which sila na bahala sa rentals Airbnb. So this is the model unit of 2-bedroom with balcony. So this is the living room, okay, and the dining room, which is comprised of 8.52 square meter. Moving here naman po tayo dito sa first bedroom. As you can see, meron po siyang naka-partition which is laminated wood door po yan. Ayan, mataas po ang ceiling and meron pong bintana. This is 6.18 square meter. So, moving here naman sa master's bedroom. This is mas malaki naman po. So, 8.17 square meter po siya. Ayan, located here naman yung balcony. So, let's check for the balcony. Ayan, ay ang ganda dito, facing amenities. This is 2.2 square meter. So, in the morning, kung gusto niyo mag-coffee, just put coffee table in there. Makakapag-relax po. And facing amenities or other view na gusto niyo po. So, this is naman the kitchen area. The kitchen area comprised of 4.20 square meter. Ayan, pwede tayong maglagay ng hanging cabinet over there. At meron po itong kitchen tile finish kitchen top. Ayan ang storage sa baba. May base cabinet po siya. And here is the sink or the lababo po. Sa baba is another base cabinet. So actually maluwag naman siya. Pwede kayo maglagay pa ng ibang cabinet for your storage. Moving here naman po sa bathroom or the toilet area is 3.70 square meter. So, yan, kompleto na po siya. Ayan, the floor is ceramic tiles and ceiling is painted finish naman po siya. Ayan, kompleto na rin siya ng shower set. Okay, so that's it. Kayo na po bahala magpaganda once na turn over na sa inyo ang unit. So, the best po ito for staycation, parentahan nyo. Kaya, invest now habang mura pa po. Thank you!